Here we have car ramps that have a hydraulic jack to them. So this is a very sturdy, heavy duty, 11,000 pounds, low profile, meaning if your car is a little bit low, it could get up the ramp easily. And it also has, for extra height, hydraulics on each one. This way, if you're on uneven ground like I am here, my gravel driveway, I could even out the car by jacking up one side a few pumps, or if I need a lot of extra height for certain jobs, I could just jack them both up for a larger height. So the minimal height is 9.8 inch, and the maximum height, if you're using the hydraulic jacks, goes up to a whopping 13.34 inches. So you could easily lift up to 11,000 pounds, which is 5 tons per pair. It's made out of high strength steel construction, and you could definitely feel, because these you just can't whip around. It takes a little bit of effort to move around, showing how heavy duty they are. It's great for oil changes, inspections, and repairs. If you're bold enough to do any kind of muffler work, you could get on there and weld. You could get under there and even paint and de-rust. Plenty of clearance to do all sorts of jobs. So it's great for home garages, professional shops, or even if you bring it out for a roadside emergency. And this way, no power tools are required. The way the ramp is designed with these pointy edges, which add strength and give it a no-slip texture. This way you could drive up without any slippage. So this is great for SUVs, sedans, and sports cars. And you could get a lot done with these ramps. And if you're a home DIY mechanic or even a professional mechanic with a shop, these will be right for you. And just put in your cart and buy with confidence.